Want to clean up your Facebook profile by deleting multiple posts at once? Here's a simple guide to help you bulk delete posts quickly and easily. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping the menu button, located at the bottom right or top right, depending on your device, and selecting your account at the top. Once on your profile, scroll down slightly to find the Manage Posts button located just below the What's on Your Mind section. Tap on it to open your post management options. Here you'll see a list of all your posts. You can scroll through and select the posts you want to delete. Facebook allows you to select up to 50 posts at a time for bulk actions. After selecting your posts, tap on the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Then choose the Delete Posts option to remove them. Confirm your decision, and Facebook will move the selected posts to the recycle bin. Keep in mind that deleted posts will remain in the bin for 30 days before being permanently removed, giving you a chance to recover them if needed. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides.